wheels and tires. Got the girlfriend over here. Skirt. We just put a downpipe on her car last night and updated her tune. Added in like some pops and gurgles. You know, it's still in the stock muffler, but she got a catless downpipe and intercooler and shit. Sounds pretty nice. She's hitting like 23 pounds of boost, little 4-cylinder BMW turbo. Shit's nice with it. What is up, people? It's like 11 o'clock at night. Just got out here to Autocross. Well, quite a bit ago, but the course, I'll show you guys right here. It's a lot tighter than what it looks on that map. Out here walking, it is so much tighter. So I don't know how well I'm really gonna do. I think she's actually gonna kick my ass tonight, but we'll see. This will be the second event out on these new tires. I haven't had any other mods since the last time we've been here. I'm still saving up for coilovers and camber plates. It takes a minute to save up for those, and we're trying to get a dog here soon, so. Alright, this will be inside views. This is her 4th run of the night. She's doing pretty damn well. She got a rerun here, so technically it's her 5th, but 4th on paper. I'm sliding around a lot in the seat, but hopefully I can get a good video for you. Go. God damn. We're out here killing it. I started out with a 35-second run as my first run, took it easy. I have traction control set to half. I've gotten it down to a 32. The top 4 of us are all 32 and below. The number 1 car is the Subaru again, down to 31. This freaking MR2 just took my 3rd place spot right now. So I'm gonna try and come back and beat him in the Miata or the S2000, but it's hard. This course is super freaking tight. I stay in 1st gear the whole time. I bang rev limiter down here where he just did, so we got 4 more laps here tonight. She's killing it as well. She's top out of the females or whatever group that they have going on right now. She's about to do her next 4 as well. I'm going to record those from the outside this time, but it's a hell of a night. And it's nice and chilly too. It's good for boost weather. So it's got me all riled up. Get it, get it, get it. Guys, what a freaking night. Man, this MR2, I don't even know where he's from. Came out of nowhere, destroyed it, killed me pretty good, knocked me back. Marty came back in the second round of goes and knocked me back even more too. It was a very exciting night. It was very, like, there was a bunch of us like right within a second of each other. I think there's three of us all within a second. It was pretty tight. The second half, I couldn't even beat my best time from earlier in the day. I don't know what was going on with me. No excuses though. It was definitely a difficult course tonight. I had a lot of fun though. I still feel like I need camber. I need something to really help. I need to stiffen the rear end, I feel like, to get me around better. You know, a little rotation, and then camber to keep them, you know, the front. I don't know. I was talking with a little bit tonight about that, but overall, great night. I think I placed 7. What were you?
13.
13? Out of what?
29.
29. So I went up 6 out of 29. She was 13 out of 29 and first in her class. She actually walked home with an award tonight. The MR2 was actually in my class, bumped me back to second. So I didn't walk home with her or anything. You know it's a good time when your girlfriend's coming home with awards and you ain't. But damn, it was a good night. It's 2:30 in the morning, so I'm gonna knock out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the